Hi, I'm Dr. Leela Mohan. I'm an MD physician. I practice at Motherhood, Columbia, Asia as a consultant. I have my own practice, that is Padithem Healthcare, which is in HSR layout, Bangalore. I mainly practice diabetes and other chronic elements. Wheat chapatis, like when you take, we can consider it as good or even bad also. So I'll try to explain. Wheat contains usually gluten. So type 1 diabetes and celiac diseases are both connected. Patients with type 1 diabetes to avoid gluten foods. That's what usually we say to the patients regularly. When the kernel of whole wheat is intact, its glycemic index will be around 30. When it goes under process like drilling and milling, and the glycemic index of wheat flour shows up to 70, and it increases the postprandial blood sugar always. So whole grain variety of wheat is always preferred than the normal wheat. So you can consume whole wheat chapatis rather than the normal wheat. Definitely patient can eat more rotis rather than compared with the rice, which are very rich in carbohydrates, but usually depend upon the person and their individual weight and their capacity of eating, and depend upon their BMI and all other certain factors will definitely take into a picture, and then they have to consume according to that. If example, if I take a single portion of roti, it will be more than sufficient for me. And for there are certain people who will be weighing more than 70 kgs or 80 kgs or even 90 kgs, they have to consume 1 to 2 at least rotis or chapatis to fulfill their stomach usually. So otherwise they won't be feeling the satiety completion. So definitely they have to take wheat chapatis. Depend upon their portions, they can use 1 or 2 chapatis with small sabzi, which should be rich in green leafy vegetables. Usually our other part of the country like North India, they have aloo sabzi with the rotis and puris, all those things. Definitely aloo sabji has to be avoided in the diabetic patients to keep the sugar levels always under control. So we should not consume the aloo as much as possible. So we can always have 1 to 2 portions of rotis or the complete chapatis.